What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all of my top spring wardrobe essentials. So if you're interested in seeing my top wardrobe essentials, stay tuned. My name is Lonnie and these are Lonnie's Lessons. The first item on my spring essentials wardrobe list is a polo shirt. Polo shirts are so versatile and they come in so many different colorways, patterns, styles, and I think that they are the perfect shirt for spring. They can go from work to evening and they can be dressed up or dressed down. I'm not really a polo shirt guy, but I really wanted to give them a try, so I found this one at Top Man that I really liked because it had a contrasting color at the collar and it also has a zipper instead of buttons, and I just think that that adds a bit of flair to the shirt. Polo shirts are great for spring because you can layer them with blazers and jean jackets on those cooler days. Another major key for your spring wardrobe are white sneakers. White sneakers take you from jeans and a t-shirt with a casual outfit all the way up to a suit. They are crisp, they are clean, they go with everything. So in this example, I'm showing you my high top Converse All-Stars. You can definitely try something like an Adidas Advantage or an Adidas Stan Smith. You can also try your Fila chunky shoes or your Balenciaga chunky shoes. Whatever white shoe fits your style, you want to have a sneaker that is versatile and ready for spring. Next up on my spring wardrobe essentials list are chinos. Think of chinos as the cooler cousin of dress pants. So they're not quite as dressed up as dress pants, but they still look more polished than distressed jeans. So they're a great option for spring, for the workplace, or even on the weekends. My next spring wardrobe essential is a white t-shirt. White t-shirts are the most versatile piece of clothing that you can have in your wardrobe. You can wear it by itself, you can wear it with a jacket over it, you can even wear a button-up shirt under it, but during the spring months, I think a white t-shirt is just so crisp, so clean, and it just takes you so far. I think that you should have multiple white t-shirts in your spring wardrobe. My next spring wardrobe essential is a tote bag. Tote bags are quintessential for spring because they are a great way to carry your lunch or your gym clothes and look stylish all at the same time. So you can coordinate these. You can have multiple tote bags in different colorways and patterns to match your style. And also it's a great option for you to use it as a duffel bag or a weekend bag if you are traveling. My next spring wardrobe must-have is light wash denim. Light wash denim is perfect for spring because you can pair it with denim on denim looks, or you can wear it with white t-shirts or white button-down shirts. It's a really versatile pant for spring. This is a pretty old pair I got from H&M, but I love these because they have a skinny fit and I love the variation in the colorway. So always look out for different details that set your light wash denim apart. My next spring wardrobe essential is a lightweight blazer. Having a lightweight blazer in a nice, easy breezy fabric like linen or a thinner cotton is the perfect addition to your spring wardrobe because you can throw it on over a t-shirt. You can also wear it with jeans. You can wear it in a more monochromatic way. Also, this is great to have if you have the matching pants. You can also maybe wear it all together in a more relaxed way. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. This one is actually from the thrift store and it's actually Giorgio Armani, so this was a score. My next wardrobe essential for spring are lightweight knits. Lightweight knits like sweaters, cardigans, sweater vests, whatever matches your style is perfect for spring. Just make sure that you get it in a neutral or a bright color or a color that is trending for spring. You can never go wrong with an olive like this one. I love this one. It's from Forever 21 and it's perfect because it's hooded. It's great for the airport. It's great to just keep in your tote bag if you get a little cool, especially if you're in climates where it is not as warm just yet in the spring season. So this is the perfect addition to your spring wardrobe and it's easily layered with other things. Last but not least on my spring wardrobe essentials list is a denim jacket. Denim jackets are perfect for any season, but especially during spring and summer because they are lightweight and they offer a nice amount of warmth and structure and kind of a tailored edge to your casual outfits. So you can throw them over a graphic tee, you can throw them over a tank top, or even over a button-down shirt to just add a nice layer of structure to your outfit. Okay guys, that's it for my spring wardrobe essentials. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that that you picked up some tips on some great essentials to wear this spring. Please let me know what you're planning to wear this spring. What trends are you trying? And let me know what items you have and don't have in your closet. If you need any tips, feel free to comment and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and to click the notification bell so that you never miss an upload from me. As always, I leave you in love, peace, and style. My name is Lonnie, and these are Lonnie's Lessons. Until next time, remember that learning is a lifestyle. Bye.